everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a new helper with me today. This is
Lexi.
This is my middle daughter. She is going to do all the scanning for me and kind of learn this process of the business and see how much money we actually make. So just to recap, we have just unboxed this toy box from Bulq.com. It's new toys and games, doll stuff. What's some of the stuff we have in here, Lexi?
We got Squish Delish, which are squishies. We got Stomp Pocket Rockets.
Stomp Rockets?
Oh.
Something. Some puzzles, other things. So it was 88 total items. I paid $97, shipped it for $30, all in at $127, which makes each item average out to be $1.44. So can we make our $127 back? We're going to see if we can. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, we're all ready to go. She has got the scanner there, so we're going to start scanning each individual item. And then if we say mystery box, we're going to be putting it in our kids' mystery boxes that are available at hookedonpickin.com. So we're going to go ahead and just get started and start scanning away. So go ahead and scan the first item. That one didn't pop up on Amazon, but we have had those before, so I think all of these should go in our boys and girls mystery boxes. So let's just take them and we can move them all over.
Should we do all girls or?
Well, we'll mix them between boys and girls because didn't you and Faith open some?
Yes.
Here, I'll move these, and if you want to show what you and Faith actually pulled out, because as kids of Hooked on Pickin, you get kind of to steal some of the things out of the boxes, and they got to steal. And so if you want to show the camera. Yeah, she had a purple duck, I think.
She had like a purple swan.
Yeah.
This is like how it kind of looks. It's just a frog with a crown. Face had a crown too.
Yeah. So they all are cute little animals.
You can squish them like as a stress reliever, and then they're more slow rise.
They look freaky. It's like a little freak.
Remember, talk loud so they can hear you.
Yep.
All right. So those are all going to go in our boys and girls mystery boxes. I'll let you move those last little bits.
Yep.
And then we're going to scan the next thing. Remember, we got to make $127. So we will do all the math at the end, find out how much extra mystery boxes. They will be available soon. So try to snatch them up pretty fast if you can. All right, ready for the next one to scan?
Let's do some more cards.
Some cards?
So there's a lot of different.
Okay, those are not on there, so just set it aside. We'll figure out how we want to sell those. Yeah. Those are the cactus ones?
Yep.
Try that again.
Okay.
Nope, not on there.
Should I just keep it there? Or...
Yeah, just leave them here.
Okay.
That's fine.
And this is another cactus.
Okay,
one,
so they're going to have the same barcode.
Yeah.
Okay. Not on there?
Got
I
it.
don't think any of these are going to scan, but we might come up with one or two.
There's another cactus one.
Okay.
I'll
Invitations?
just try all of them just so.
Sounds good. All right, not on there?
Got it?
Not on there?
Okay. I don't think any of these yet.
Yeah.
So
Not on there. I think they're like Target brand, I think.
probably.
Not on there? Nope. Nope.
We could honestly just use these if they don't
We could.
work for anything.
Nope. I might make a note card lot. Nope.
Okay.
Maybe eBay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe an eBay lot. Nope.
Nope. Last one.
Last one?
Yep.
All right. So those are not coming up, so we can just, if you just
Just
want
leave
to
'em
leave them
there.
there, that's fine. All right. What is that?
So we got icing.
In a toy
in the
box?
Toys box. It's just red icing, which is usually the worst icing.
Why is it the worst icing?
I don't know. It just tastes weird. I think the food coloring or something, so I'm going to scan it.
Okay. Yes, that is on there. 879,000.
Oh, I put like dollars, and I'm like,
No, that's the sales rank.
Yeah.
So let's see. Yeah, that would be awesome. $9.91. This weighs light enough, and so I think what we'll probably do is go ahead and list it. So
in Amazon or?
yeah, we're gonna put it in merch by Amazon. So I'm gonna list it for $7.99. So I'm gonna keep a manual list. $7.99. I need a piece of paper to write on. And then we'll add everything up at the end. So there's one thing already listed, merchant fulfill, $7.99 Amazon. All right, go ahead. Hold on, I gotta list this. And scan the next item.
Next item.
Okay, we already have these on Amazon, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same. So hold that. I'm gonna have you scan it again because I'm gonna pull up my inventory and I'm gonna add another one. Okay, so go ahead and scan that again.
Again?
Okay, so we actually, I think we're sold out of those. So now we're gonna add another one and put it on Amazon. We're selling them for yeah, merch by Amazon. We're selling them for $2.28, which doesn't sound like a lot, but that still makes a difference. So $2.28. We'll take all the fees off at the end. So now we have another one of those. Okay, go ahead and scan away.
Okay, we got the mini Hot Wheels.
Mini Hot Wheels. That didn't pop up. Let's throw those in the mystery box. That'd be good for a boys mystery box.
Yep. Okay. We got the Overwatch little figurine.
Junkrat.
Yes.
I think it's a hilarious name. Junkrat.
Okay.
Ooh, that's on there. We can sell it. It's got a great sales rank of $119,000 in toys. See how much it's selling for. $19.
Awesome.
So we're gonna go.
Amazon?
Yes, we're gonna do merch by Amazon. One quantity. Okay, now $19, but they have free shipping here. So I know I'm gonna have to charge around $4 or $5. So we're gonna go what's 19 minus 5? 14.
14, yeah.
So we're gonna list this for $14.99.
Awesome.
All right, nice. $14.99 on Merchant Fulfill. Perfect. All right, let's scan the next item. So we've got 3 items already listed.
Oh, there it is. These are the Stomp Rocket.
Stomp Rocket. All right, yes. Sales rank of 533. That thing's going to sell immediately.
Awesome.
All right, hold on. I got to request approval to sell in new, and I have been approved immediately. So that's nice. So I just have to wait until it takes a minute to get approval processed. Okay, let's see if it goes now. New, still says apply to sell. So it takes a minute before it lets me. Okay, now it says right here, new, sell this product. Before this button said apply to sell right here. So now it says sell this product. So I can actually list it, merch fulfill. How many do I have?
It's like 8.
8 of them?
Yep.
They're selling for $29.99 free shipping. So we're going to go ahead and undercut that price because there's no Prime sellers because it would have a little Prime symbol here. And so $20.99 free shipping. I'm not offering free shipping because my account is not set up that way. So we're going to go new, and then we're going to undercut that. They'll probably charge $6 or $7. So we're going to go $22.99 times 8. Times 8 for mine. And they are listed. So all 8 of those are going to go Amazon Merchant Fulfill, and those are already listed. So that's awesome. So that really helped our numbers. Remember, we spent $127 on this. So, and Lexi, you're doing a great job with the listing video. All right.
Next thing,
Yep.
the Kansas basketball cards.
That is not on there. Let's throw that, what do you think, Boys Mystery Box?
Yeah.
All right. And next thing.
A little squishy of, I think, a dog, maybe?
Okay.
I don't know if it's going to scan through the net.
There's a barcode on the tag.
Oh.
Ooh, that didn't look.
Awesome.
They're called drop dots.
That's probably because the...
Yeah, it has a high sales rank, so let's see how much it's even selling for online. There's none of them. So I'm going to look and see what something similar is going to sell for. Let's just use this name, Drop Dot Love'ems, and see if we can find other comparable ones and see how much they're even going for. Here's one for $6. So I say let's throw it in a mystery box.
Girls probably
Yeah.
most likely.
Yeah, girls or boys, either one. Probably a girls because it's kind of girl colors, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it had a high sales rank. It had 1 million sales rank, so it's not going to sell real fast.
Okay, then we got the wood figurines or
Ooh, that'd be cool if we could find those online. Nope, not on there. Let me see what they're called. I'm going to try to type in the title. So wood figures, 6 count, made by Horizon. Okay. Let's just see if we can come up with something. I'm not seeing it. I think Horizon, this is a Target brand. See,
Probably.
it's a $3 Target item. So we're just going to throw these in the mystery boxes.
Got it.
Does it have the same barcode, the aliens and the...
I will scan this one just to
Okay,
make
let me
sure.
get to my right page. Scan away. Yeah, that one doesn't pop up either. So I think those are going to be perfect mystery box items. Because those are really fun. So we'll throw those in the mystery boxes too.
Some for girls and some for boys.
Yep.
Probably.
We'll split them up. Because both of them, because this one has like a princess,
Yeah.
you know, for make-believe and stuff.
Please to mess around with. I can get both.
Perfect. All right, we just have one more item, right? Just that puzzle?
Yeah, I'm pretty. Yep.
Yeah, just that puzzle. Puzzles are selling good right now.
Bet. Okay. Scanning.
Yep. Nope, that's not on there. So I will probably list that on Hooked on Pickin individually.
Okay.
Just because I think it's going to get bought individually, and it's too big for the mystery boxes. So what we're going to do is we've already got 8, 9, 10, 11 items on Amazon Merch Fulfill. So we're going to add up how much that is. We'll add the one thing that we're going to put on Hooked on Pickin, and then we'll see how many extra mystery boxes we can make from the items that we just got. So we will come back to you with profit numbers. All right, and with the magic of video, we have all the math done. So we've got everything kind of laid out where it's going to go. So where's this stuff going, Lexi?
Hooked on Pickin.
So you can find this at hookedonpickin.com. 2 items here. We're going to do a bundle of the note cards, and then we have a 4-pack of puzzles. So this is going to be $10. This will be $15 on Hooked on Pickin. So that's awesome. And then where's this stuff going?
So this is all Amazon.
So this is all going to Amazon. When we add everything together, we're going to make $156 on Amazon there. And then what is all this stuff here?
This is all the mystery boxes stuff.
So this is going to be stuff that
Probably
goes
girl.
into the mystery box. So girl and boy
Oh, yeah.
mystery boxes. So some fun things going in the mystery boxes. This will add an additional 2 mystery boxes to the Hooked on Pickin mystery box lots. And so that's an additional $40. And so total with all of these items, we're going to come up to about $221. And how much did we pay for this box?
127.
So let's take off the 127, which brings us a total profit of
94.
$94. So we'll make $94 on this box after listing everything. And if you're interested in any of it, go to hookedonpickin.com to buy all of it. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. We talked about the toy mystery boxes, and they come in a box this size. But if you are not a child and you would like one, we have women's mystery boxes. And what's in the women's mystery
So it's
boxes?
5 pieces of clothing that are like this size that each medium pieces of clothing.
Are in that particular box, but we have various other sizes. We also have juniors and petites. They're actually only $14.99, and you can get them at hookedonpickin.com. Thanks.
Yep.